For this tutorial, I'm using Hostinger, and I genuinely think it's the best option for most people. Here's why. First, they have a one-click n8n template. You don't need to install Docker, pull images, or touch the command line. You simply sign up, select the template, and n8n is running. That alone saves you a ton of setup and potential headaches, especially if you're new to this. Second, it's cheap. Their plans already start around $5 a month. And I've got a link that gets you an extra 10% discount on top of whatever deal they're already running. Use the link on screen or in the description below. It'll take you straight to the right page, auto-apply the discount, and pre-select the n8n template for you. Let me show you exactly what that looks like. So when you click that link, you'll land on this page here, or something very similar, and you'll see right away that the coupon has already been applied. Go ahead and click Claim Deal. That'll scroll you down the page to the pricing for the VPS. The minimum you need to get started is the KVM1 plan. And like I mentioned, normally it starts at $5 per month, but our discount has already been applied to this price. Go ahead and click Choose Plan. On the next page, you'll get an order summary. The first box has a drop-down that lets you select the period for the order. By default, it's set to 24 months. I recommend keeping it there to get the absolute best price. If you want daily auto backups, now would be the best time to add it to get the best price. You can always add the auto backups later, but this coupon only works once, so if you know you're going to want it, go ahead and add it now. Next, choose a server location that's closest to you or your audience. The lower the latency, the better. Finally, there's an optional section to select your operating system, but you don't need to do anything here because n8n should already be selected. Click Continue in your order summary. Then register your account. Next, add your billing information, then enter your payment information to complete the order. After the payment goes through, you'll get this confirmation. You can click the button or wait for the countdown to finish. Now you'll need to set up your VPS. First things first, create a root password. This is different than the password for your Hostinger account. This is the password for your server. Make sure it's secure and keep it safe somewhere, like a password manager. Then click Next. You might be offered a free malware scanner. It's free and adds additional protection, so I recommend keeping this checked. Click Finish Setup. And that's all it takes. Hostinger will now set up your VPS for n8n. This can take a few minutes, so now's a good time to stretch, get a drink of water or a cup of coffee. And just like that, our server's all set up and ready to go. Now before you go any further, we need to verify our Hostinger account. Open your inbox in a new tab and look for a verification email from Hostinger. Click the button to verify your email account. When you land in the Hostinger dashboard, you're good to go. You can close out this tab and your email. Next, you need to set up your n8n account. To do this, click Manage App. Fill out the form with your email, name, and create a password. Then click Next. Next, fill out the brief survey, or just click Get Started to skip it. Now this pop-up that says Get Paid Features for Free Forever is really important. Make sure your email is entered correctly, then click Send Me a Free License Key. Open up your email inbox again, find and open the email from n8n, then click Activate License Key. You'll get a confirmation that says your license has been activated. You can close out those extra tabs and return to the first n8n page. Now n8n is all set up and ready to go on your virtual private server.